Hi, I'm Sheila Finch. I'm a professional fine artist. My paintings are held in private and corporate collections around the world. My work has been featured in Coastal Living magazine, and 2 prints of my paintings were top sellers at Crate & Barrel. In this class, I will teach you how to create a set of color and value charts in oils on a mid-value gray paper. And if you paint in acrylics, gouache, or watercolor, I'll show you how to make charts in these mediums. These color charts will help you get a feel for how intense or saturated your colors are, as well as all the subtle, highly nuanced shades and tints available for creating your own beautiful paintings. Finally, as you create these charts, you will gain an understanding of how your colors mix with each other to create lovely secondary colors, the greens, oranges, and violets. Each color row will take 10 to 15 minutes to complete, and a full chart for all 7 colors will take about 90 minutes. Please remember, it's really important to create these carefully, so take your time and enjoy the process. If you only have 10 minutes a day, just complete 1 color row, and in a week you will have completed 1 full color chart. With these 7 colors plus titanium white and the practice of color charting in this particular way, by the end of the class you will gain a strengthened sensitivity to color and values that will help you leap ahead in skill as a painter. New painters often skip making color charts in their excitement to start painting, but it's really important. I wish I'd learned to make these when I first started painting, but when I finally learned what they were and how to do them, I'm so glad that I took the time to make my own set of charts, because my work immediately improved in ways I'd not thought possible, and yours will too. In addition to showing you how to make your charts, I'll share with you some ways you can immediately apply what you've learned on future paintings. Your class project is to create your first color chart using either my set of colors or your own favorites. This class is for everyone, whether you're a beginner or have been painting for a while. Thank you so much for taking my class. I can't wait to see your charts. In the next lesson, we'll talk about materials.